Welcome to Camping with Steve. Well, this is not Steve Wallace. This is my buddy Steve, and you all have seen him before. He's made numerous appearances in the bush. We're going to go check out a place that he knows of today. It's a bluegill. It's a nice one.
Yeah, that is a nice one actually.
Cheers, buddy. Oh! Woo! Ooh, ah. That ain't worthy of a new. That's nasty.
Maybe next morning.
Just like that, dinner is served. Steve's camper stove worked pretty good.
Glad you got to try it out for me.
Mm-hmm. Had some, it doesn't get any fresher than that. Catch and cook. That fish was good. I should have cooked a little more of it. You got a pretty cool spot here, Steve. I dig it.
Yeah.
A good in the bush location. Well, Steve, did you get your fill?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good night overall, huh?
Yeah, did a little fishing and just hanging out on the levee.
Well, me and Steve both tuckered out kind of early tonight. Got our bellies full of soup and some fresh fish that we caught, and it was just a beautiful, nice night sitting out by the fire. And we're gonna cash in for the night and hopefully get nice and rested up. Feels like somebody crawled into bed right beside me. What the heck? Oh no. Got any cottage cheese? No, you get out of here. Oh. Good night, y'all. Well, Steve, dude, good camping with you. Once again, do this again soon. Well, give me a holler, man.
All right, we'll do.
See ya.
See you, bud.
Well, I just got back to my house, and I gotta say, I have this van set up so well for camping. I've got all my food preparation items that I need. Literally all I had to pack was just my clothes. I have everything else, and my food. I packed food. Got the mini fridge. One thing I am gonna do, so we were running everything last night off of the EcoFlow. We didn't need air conditioning because it got down into the 50s. So we were running everything off the EcoFlow and Steve's generator. But one of the things I'm gonna do for these type of campouts is, instead of using the fridge, which draws over 100 watts, I'm gonna just bring a cooler and set it on top of the fridge with ice in it. That way I'm not draining the EcoFlow so fast. But other than that, everything's good to go. I got pots, pans, silverware, cups, plates, napkins, soap. I did bring this bucket of water that I use when there's not running water at a campsite, and that gives me running water. It's got a spigot on the bottom. Wash your hands, boom, you're set. So, I mean, all in all, I mean, this thing's set up. It's even got a composting toilet that I keep underneath the bed. I actually had to use it last night. It works quite well. Got a call coming in. I'll see you next time in the bush.